Hey there, and welcome back to the channel that's all about crayfish, catching and cooking crayfish in all kinds of delicious recipes. Today I spent the day out on the lake here behind me, and I thought I'd cook some crayfish for dinner. I have them here in the water just waiting, and in a little bit we'll make one of my favorite recipes, which is sweet and sour crawfish, and I'm going to cook them up on my camp stove at my cabin here in a little bit. Not many, but it's enough for me for dinner. About half a kilo in there, something like that. All right, let's go.
Contradiction with my mind. Guilty pleasure has a bitter taste. In the end, my friend, are you sure you wanna fight? Ooh, has got that time, not me. Ooh, he is interested in patience. Oh, I'm a gazelle, always running, adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unwell, but I don't care. Oh, I swear. What you do to me is beyond cruel. You're not known to be cool, but give me a break. For heaven's sake, we can still get along if we agree to disagree. Love the circumstances, not me. Who has got the time? Not me. I'm a gazelle, always running, adrenaline in every blood cell. Some say I'm unwell, but I don't care. Oh, I swear, I don't care. Don't care.